Alright, so we've just had another big leak about the new Osmo 362 by DJI, and it might be exactly what you wanted to hear if you're looking to upgrade your camera. The new Osmo 360 surfaced last week for the first time. It was only a low-resolution image typical of the earliest leaks. We couldn't really understand a lot from it, until now. This new photo was posted by the well-known leaker Quadro News, and as you can see, it shows a warehouse with many stacked boxes that contain the replaceable lenses of the new Osmo 360 Mark II. DJI is finally fixing the single biggest issue with the first-generation Osmo, which was a real deal-breaker for a lot of users. The new lenses can be physically swapped out if they break, without needing to replace the entire camera. What stands out to me, though, is the mounting mechanism. As you can see, there's no outer ring on the lens, meaning it likely isn't screwed into place. It looks like a different attachment system compared to something like the Insta360 X5 or X6, but the end result will be the exact same. And replaceable lenses aren't the only major upgrade the Osmo 360 Mark II is bringing to the table. Even though the body looks almost identical on the outside, the real changes are happening on the inside. The first one can be seen on the screen. As you can read, it says 8K at 60 frames per second. This is the first big upgrade from the Osmo 360 that tops at 50 frames per second, and it even gaps the X6 from Insta360, which is still yet to be released. So, along with a rise of the frame rate in 8K, there will also probably be updates to 4K recording, and most importantly, to the single lens mode, which has also seen a significant update on the X6. These upgrades are mainly made possible by increased hardware performance, so the sensors might not be physically different, but very likely only the computing hardware will. As you can see, the outer ring of the lens is different and thicker, which pointed directly to this new replaceable lens system. Just by looking at it, the different attachment of the lens makes it clear that the lens could be removable, and as we now know, it solves all the downsides the first generation had. Finally, there are more upgrades to the battery, reaching more than 2,100 mAh, roughly a 10% increase from the first generation. There's still nothing confirmed about the release date, but in my opinion, it will surely come out before September or October 2026. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.